these are the steps which are involved in the preparation of washing soda. So washing soda is prepared by a process called Solvay process. So you make an underline below this word Solvay. Sometimes I have seen questions coming which ask to describe the process called this one, Solvay process. So what happens in Solvay process? Step number 1 is, in the first step of Solvay process, the brine solution is subjected to reaction with both ammonia and carbon dioxide. That is why I have written both ammonia and carbon dioxide are passed through brine solution, which produces sodium bicarbonate and ammonium chloride. So this is the reaction involved. So this is the second time I am writing the reaction. NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3, it will give you NaHCO3 and NH4Cl. Correct? This is the first step. And in the second step, what we will do is we will heat the sodium bicarbonate and decompose it to give sodium carbonate. So sodium bicarbonate is being converted into sodium carbonate. Okay, so heat is produced, heat is given, heat is supplied, and this heat will convert the sodium bicarbonate into sodium carbonate. Along with sodium bicarbonate, along with sodium carbonate, we also have water and carbon dioxide. Okay, so after this reaction, I think we have already discussed in the preparation of baking soda as well. So there is nothing much to worry. If you remember the reaction involved in washing soda, then it will be very easy for you to remember the reactions for baking soda as well. So this is the first step. This is the second step, and what you have to do is to just pause the video for a while, note down the points from here to here, so that I can write down the third step. Okay, so let me write down the third step. This is the third step, and in the third step, what is done, the anhydrous form of sodium carbonate. Anhydrous means no water molecules are present, it is totally dry, and this anhydrous sodium carbonate is subjected to recrystallization. And one thing you have to remember is this anhydrous sodium carbonate, that means the dry sodium carbonate, is also called soda ash, SODA-ASH, soda ash. So this soda ash, or the anhydrous sodium carbonate, is subjected to recrystallization. So what it is done, anhydrous sodium carbonate or soda ash is dissolved in water, then the solution is heated and cooled down. Okay, that means sodium carbonate will be dissolved in small amount of water, more and more sodium carbonate will be dissolved there, then the solution will become very concentrate, and that concentrate solution will be subjected to heating. That means the solution will be heated, and after heating to a particular temperature, the solution will be allowed to cool, and when cooled down, it gives hydrated sodium carbonate, and hydrated sodium carbonate is Na2CO3.10H2O. This is the washing soda. So after this salt, we have one last compound, which is plaster of Paris, and the videos on plaster of Paris will be given some other day. Okay, in the next class, the video on plaster of Paris will be given, and the chapter will be over. So till then, you watch the 3 videos very carefully, try to understand whatever is being taught, and the instruction which is given in the video itself, like writing the notes yourself, and all the instructions, you follow it carefully. And yes, you keep your copy up to date, because as soon as school reopens, we will check your copies, and everything should be updated. Thank you.